myself Savita Priya Pinto. I am lecturer of Polymer Technology. On behalf of Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, I am going to present the experiment of Physical Chemistry Lab. Now, I am going to explain the first experiment, that is the preparation of standard solution. The course outcome of this experiment, that is prepare the standard solution. Now, the content of this experiments are the preparation of standard solution of oxalic acid, that is aim of the experiment, principle, procedure, observation and calculation, and the result. So now I am going to explain, that is preparation of standard solution of oxalic acid solution. Aim of this experiment, that is to prepare the standard solution of oxalic acid. Principle, a known quantity of the substance is dissolved in water. Equivalent weight of the oxalic acid, the formula of oxalic acid, it is H2C2O4. It is hydrated oxalic acid H2C2O4 2H2O. That is equal to molecular mass by 2. Now the molecular mass, it is 126. Molecular mass of the oxalic acid is 126. If it is divided by 2, we will get 63. Now 63, it is the equivalent weight of the oxalic acid. So molecular mass we can easily calculate it. That is, we have to add the atomic mass of the each atom. Okay, then we will get the molecular mass. If it is divided by 2, then we will get the equivalent weight of the oxalic acid. This is the aim and the principle of this experiment. Now, procedure, that is about dash gram. Here we are weigh, that is 1.575 gram of oxalic acid crystals are taken in a weighing bottle, is accurately weighed using a chemical balance. The oxalic acid is carefully transferred into a clean 250 cm cube of standard flask using a clean funnel. So we are taken here 250 cm cube of standard flask. The empty weighing bottle is weighed again. The oxalic acid is dissolved by adding distilled water. The funnel is removed from the standard flask. Water is added to the standard flask so that the lower meniscus of the solution coincides with the mark. The flask is then shaken well for uniform concentration. Here in this experiment, we are going to weigh the oxalic acid crystals. First, we have to weigh the empty watch glass. Here we took empty watch glass and note down the weight of the empty watch glass. Here we got 24.538579. Then we have to place the oxalic acid crystals in the watch glass. Then we note down the weight of the empty watch glass as well as oxalic acid crystals. Now we have to transfer this oxalic acid crystals into 250 cm cube of standard flask and then filled with water. First we have to shaken the oxalic acid crystal so that it is dissolved in water, and then the water is filled till the mark, up to the mark. So This is the experiment to prepare the standard solution of the oxalic acid solution. Next, here observation as well as a calculation. Here we have to take the mass of the weighing bottle, that is mass of the weighing bottle plus oxalic acid crystal, that is here 24.579 gram. Okay, then mass of the weighing bottle, so here mass of the weighing bottle, it is 24.579 gram, and here plus mass of the weighing bottle plus oxalic acid crystal, that is 1.575. So mass of the weighing bottle plus oxalic acid crystals, that is we will get 26.154 gram. Okay, this is W1, this is W2. Now mass of the oxalic acid crystal, that is W1 divided by minus W2, that is W1 26.154 gram minus 24.579 gram. So we will get 1.575 gram. Okay, so this is the mass of the oxalic acid crystals. Now we have to calculate the strength of the standard solution of the oxalic acid crystals, that is mass, that is 1 point, that is W into 1000 into 1 divided by 250 into 63. 63 is the equivalent weight. So we will get W, it is 1.575 gram into 1000 into 1 divided by 250 into 63. So strength of oxalic acid is 0.1 normal. Okay, N is the unit of the strength of the standard solution of the oxalic acid. This is about the observation and calculation to calculate the strength of the oxalic acid solution. Thank you.